Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I know this video I'm going to talk about how to activate video stabilization on your iPhone 16 on your camera. So over here, right, first you need to open the camera. And after the camera is open, you have to go over here in the video. And right now, the video stabilization helps you when you try to shoot something. They're going to help you guys a lot. So for the stabilization, all those things. So if you wanted to turn on the stabilization, what you need to do is if you check over here at the top, we can see there is this particular icon, the first one. Just tap on the first one. And right now, as you can see, the activation mode is turn it on. And right now, afterwards, you can try recording videos either on HD or even on the other sections, other formats. So just go over here at the top, tap on the HD. Either it can be 280K. And also you can record at 13, 16 or more FPS over here like this. So this is how we can turn on the stabilization on the camera on iPhone 16. I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, see you soon next video. Bye.